G'day, here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The rule's in millimetres, and the material's been wetted, and the white you can see is the reflection of the lights. These are only very thin colour bar on the top, especially that piece, and this piece is similar. Blues, but not much else in it than what you can see there, I don't think. This piece got a bit of colour through the middle, basically threw that in real life it's not as vibrant. Again, just for the pattern, not a lot of opal. It's been dremeled a little bit to show the colours. Whether a little bit more sanding that brings out the colour a bit more, I don't know. And whether you'll lose these brown pieces, I'm not sure. But anyway, they're good to practice on, they're not expensive deal. Cheers.